So I've seen this model at Ace for about a year or two now, and I've just now decided to get it. This is M2 1971 Skyline GT-R. I really like this car, one of my favorites, and don't know why I haven't got it any time earlier, and or any M2 overall. This is like the first one I've bought in this kind of package, and they're like everywhere. So let's get it opened up. Alright. I like these because they come in a little display case, and I believe you can open these up too. Oh, there we go. It's a little different than the ones I usually get, because they do sell display cases on their own, but this one's a little bit better. It is screwed on. Looks like the hood opens up. Oops. Get back to this. I don't want to damage the little mirrors on the front of it. Take these off. Okay, I think. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I actually have to unscrew it first. Okay, there we go. Lighting's not so good over here. So yeah, the hood does open. I'm kind of impressed. I wasn't really expecting that much out of it. This is really small. It looks good. I guess the door's open too. Locks said open doors, but I don't know. Do they? No, they don't. Okay. So we got the hood at least. Good detail. Let me zoom in here. It's really nice. You can see all the lettering and stuff in there. All the symbols. Tires are nice. Oh, there's that plastic. Oops, forgot about that. Alright, there we go. It looks like I could take it apart if I wanted to. I don't want to do that. So we could just look at what's here. The lights are a little bit sideways, but it's a small model. You can't get like perfect with that. It looks like the chrome. Let me look up really close. Looks like the chrome on this light is kind of coming out. Maybe it's just the lighting. I don't know. Doesn't look as good as the other light. Other than that, the detail's really nice. Don't look at it too close up and it'll look like a really nice car. I really like the coloring. Oh, jeez. Inside, pretty average. Nothing special in there. The steering wheel and the seats. Also, the amount of detail is really nice. This was about $8. Really expensive for a car like even a little bigger than this. This is a lot more expensive than like the rest that I usually buy. But it looks nice. It looks nice in the case. It's definitely going to be a nice addition onto the shelf. I'd give it maybe an 8 out of 10. It's really nice. The details look too close, like the separate pieces and stuff. They do look a little loose, but other than that, it's really nice for just kind of a display piece. So yeah, 7 out of 10. I might buy a few more M2s. Oh, I forgot this nut. I would buy a few more, but it's not like a number one brand to me. I've kind of left them out for quite a while. It's just some of their stuff isn't too interesting to me. I just got this because it's a really nice car and I like the racing livery on it. So, yeah, that's about it. Got it all boxed up and I'm going to put it on the shelf.